Notice writing. How to write a notice. Notice is generally 4 mark and it is divided into format, content and expression. When we are marking in format 1 mark, content 1.5 and expression 1.5. Format means what is the process, date, organization's name, signature, everything will be there, and the content is the topic related, that is written or not, and expression is the grammar, or we can say the vocabulary. So when we are writing a notice, on the top the organization's name will be there. When we are writing in our school name, it will be in capital, like Sarvodaya Public School. In capital it is very important, and as possible you write in the middle of it with the address like Hirapur, Chandrapur. It will be an organization's name will be, a colony name will be, and don't underline here. After that, notice will be written in capital and underline it. Then the date will be there in this format, like today's date is 21st April 2020. This is the process. You can't write 21/4/2020. This is the wrong thing. There is a process to write the date. After that, there will be a heading, what is the topic about, like there will be a quiz competition in your school. Quiz competition. It will be no matter that you can write in any format or capital or small letter. Date will be after the title, no problem. And after that you will start with the paragraph by taking a space, and you can start like, it is to be notified that, or you can say it is to be informed that, it is to be requested that all the students, all the people of the colony, and you can make a box of the details or the program details or anything. What is the important thing you will be right here, like date, venue means place, okay, any other thing, what is the detail you have to mention, means notice, in the notice all the people will see this thing and they can know that what will be given in the notice and what is the important thing. After that, in the end, the designation will be there. If that is written like that, you are the head boy of the school, then you write your name like Vikas, and at the end head boy or head girl. What is the in question given in the left side, everything will be in the left side, date and the signature. The most important thing, what will be there, heading, notice in capital with underline, date will be in this format, and a title will be given, starting will be good. That doesn't matter, you can start with all of the students, like all of the citizens, okay, no matter. And after that, this is the very important, it makes your notice good, and this thing, for everything there will be mark. Okay, thank you.